everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to go ahead and try all three of SZA's new Not Beauty makeup line lip glosses and just go ahead, try them on, do some lip combos and see how they feel and wear. So if you guys are excited for that, make sure you subscribe before you get into the video, but without further ado, let's get into it. So I did acquire these when I went to the Grand National tour and there was a Not Beauty little pop-up. So I'm very excited to see how these are. I feel like everybody has their preference for gloss and SZA always has the shiniest lips ever, so we're gonna see what that is all about. This is the shade Quartz. Now I think you can actually grab these whenever Not Beauty is in your city, so definitely look at the lineup for the Grand National tour because I think you can just pop in. I don't think you have to have a ticket. I'm sure they will be dropping online soon. For this lip combo, I'm gonna go ahead and use MAC Stone. This is one of my favorite lip pencils ever. It's a very cool tone brown. Now let's open up this bad boy and see what's going on in here. I will say these were pretty expensive. It was like 70 bucks for the three of them, so this better be good. But this is what the packaging looks like. Very, very cool. I love this like wood aesthetic. It's definitely like not a lip gloss I've seen before in terms of packaging and branding, and I love the like little see-through part here so you can see what color your gloss is. Okay, so it's very minty. It's just a natural like minty scent. This is what the applicator looks like. I love just a juicy gloss. So let's go ahead and try this on. That is so shiny. It's really cute though. It looks super cute. This is just like traditional, rich, thick, juicy like lip gloss, and I think it just like makes your lips look so much more like plump. It doesn't have a plumping scent or taste to it, but it is like a minty, it's almost like if you were chewing gum or like spearmint gum. That's kind of like what it smells like slash tastes like, I guess, which I like. I mean, it's very like clean and fresh. It kind of goes with the aesthetic of the brand. It's not like, you know, cupcake butter cookie. It wouldn't really go. It's definitely a stickier gloss, so keep that in mind. If you guys hate sticky glosses, this is not going to be for you. It's definitely thicker. I can feel it sitting on my lips. I feel like this is definitely going to be a hydrating gloss as well, so it might be that in between like a lip balm and a lip gloss where it's just plumping, juicy, but without the like spicy plumpingness, you know what I mean? For the next lip combo, we're going to use MAC Whirl. This is my holy grail lip pencil. I will say it's not the most long lasting, but there's something about just a plain wood pencil that's this rosy, pinky, dusty color. It's so perfect and divine. And I'm gonna go ahead and try the In the Flesh color. This is what the packaging looks like. I love that you can see the color on the front. It's so cute. Plus I feel like this is kind of iconic. Like, put this in your purse, pull it out, and people are like, you have a wood lip gloss? What's going on here? But I don't know, I just feel like it's really cute and I'm obsessed with the packaging. I feel like this color would stand out so good on somebody darker than me. Like, it would go crazy. I love this for me though, because I personally love like pinky colors, so I really like it. I'm not used to like the peachy undertones, and it just feels so moisturizing. It feels like I could walk outside, it could be the crustiest, dustiest day ever, and my lips are gonna be hydrated and juicy because of this. So that's what I like to see when, you know, the price point is definitely a little higher. I want to try my Makeup by Mario Ultra Suede Sculpting Lip Pencil in the shade Kelly. It's definitely like a darker reddish pinky-ish color, and I think it could pair well with this color, which is the Strawberry Jelly. I love the names too, like it sounds so yummy. Part of me does wish it did have a little scent, but I understand it's more of like a natural vibes. Let's go ahead and try this color. It looks so intense in the packaging, and this is what it looks like. I will say it's a little stringy when it comes out, so y'all be careful when you open the bottle, because I've had it so many times, especially with the Fenty gloss, where I open it and it just like splooches on my pants or like whatever I'm wearing, and it's super hard to get out. So this is definitely a way more vibrant color than the rest of them. It's kind of a lot. It's a little bit of a lot on me, but I think I'm just not used to wearing like reds. I don't mind it. It's more of a statement for me, honestly. I feel like because of my skin tone, it's more of a statement. So if I wore this, it'd be like with a black dress. I mean, I guess with white, it goes, but you know what I mean? Like something a little bit more bold and more fashiony with this lip color. I do feel like the colorful colors are gonna be so great on a no makeup day because I personally like to have some life to my lips when I'm not wearing makeup because I feel like it just adds like blushiness back to the skin, and I feel like these two will be perfect for that. But the clear one is obviously a go-to. I mean, you can throw this on with anything and it's gonna elevate it, and I personally love that it's not the spicy plumping. That's what I was worried about. I will say the price point a little high, but you know, I guess it's kind of marking itself higher end in terms of like Too Faced, or I mean even REM Beauty is a little bit cheaper I feel like than this, but kind of in that like mid to higher tier brand level. And I think it's definitely, you know, it's a celebrity brand, so there's that aspect. It's definitely the fact that, you know, it's got unique packaging and they've definitely probably invested in those ingredients. So I think from that end, that's probably what explains the sort of price point. So that is it for today's video, you guys. Let me know, what was your favorite lip color and what's your favorite on me, because I need to know, like I'm gonna be wearing these. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are on Not Beauty, on Miss SZA's brand. I'm very excited to see where this goes, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.